So hello guys, today we're gonna unbox the XT3B1 by Xman Design. So I heard and watched various reviews regarding this cube. Just a good cube. So this is the flagship version. So I bought this to try out. So let's go. So guys, I'm a Dayan main. So Dayan Guang Pro 54mm maglev. So it's the cube. Kinda weird that I see some rectangular box like not other cube company. So it's a cube. So like premium but in a budget. So there's the card. So Xman Design, Xman team. So come on, yeah. This So this is the accessory box. So take a look. This side. No, wait. Sorry. Blank cup for blindfold. Xman bag. So good. Then cleaning cloth and some instructions and tutorials. So here's the cube. Oh, some dirt. You can see that. There's some dirt, like an spare wheel. So first turns. What kind of feel that? So flexible, like I can feel the turning. Some lobe in outside. You can see that lobe. So it's like B3. I don't have B3 and I don't mean B3. I'm a Dayan main, so but I try the B3 in the comp. So some other cubers have B3. Then the other reviews are it's like a mix of B3 and M-Pro. I try also the M-Pro in the competition with some cubers. The M-Pro are too blocky and solid turning. So there's like there's a mixed feeling of the M-Pro, the solid what I call this, not a solid but slightly blocky. Then a flexibility of B3, like just like that, like so blocky and solid feeling of M Pro, but slightly then combination of flexibility and no the smoothness of the B3. So in that combination, then XT3B1. Kind of so flexible, like you cannot you can tell this like a B3. It's not like the M Pro, but the feeling, or like the slightly turning feel, but the smoothness is in the B3 side. Corner cut, no, not corner cut. Wait, if I can remove this, so you can see, like, there's a loop, but it's like a feeling of dry. There's a core magnet, and then this is some color magnet. There's a loop, but I don't know guys. Where's the